If you're a Tesco Clubcard member, you can easily convert your points into Cineworld vouchers for movie tickets and snacks. First, open your Tesco Clubcard app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Navigate to the Spend Points section, then select Vouchers and find the Cineworld option. You'll need a minimum of 500 points for a £5 voucher. Each £5 voucher requires 500 points, with no upper limit on conversions per transaction, but daily caps apply during promotions. Convert your points and receive a digital voucher code. This code is your ticket to the movies. Remember to do this before you plan to go to the cinema, as the voucher stocks can deplete during peak holiday seasons like Christmas. Now that you have your digital Cineworld voucher, head over to the Cineworld app or website, cineworld.co.uk. Select your movie, showtime, and seats. When you reach the payment section, choose the option to pay with a voucher and enter the code from your Tesco Clubcard app. Seats are allocated on a first-come, first-served basis, with vouchers acting as credit. If the ticket costs more than the voucher value, you can pay the difference using a credit or debit card. Vouchers are valid for 12 months. Note that vouchers can't be combined with other promotions or used for Cineworld Unlimited subscriptions. Enjoy the show.